Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ignite the Flame. My name is Deepak Gyanani and I have about 14 years of experience in human resources. In these 14 years, I have made quite a few friends in HR and I'm glad to be a part of this fraternity.
But it's really sad to see all these posts on LinkedIn from professionals about their job loss due to the pandemic and how they are willing to take up any opportunity to earn their bread and butter and run their families.
Hence, along with my career in HR, I have also decided to help people who have lost their job in pandemic and the ones who are in need. In the last 6 months, I came across a lot of job seekers who have applied for jobs at various places but have not received any response. And this could be because of various reasons. Either the job seekers have not reviewed the job description properly before applying, or maybe the job position is closed or is on hold and it is not removed by the recruiter from the job sites. So what I have done is I have tied up with multiple consultants and companies and I have collated quite a few job opportunities which are current opportunities in the market and it has to be closed at the earliest.
All the job opportunities would be shared either on my LinkedIn page or in the form of videos on YouTube channel Ignite the Flame in this format.
Now coming to few very important points which will help me coordinate better with job seekers and job providers, and that is,
If you are a candidate, then please consider following points before applying for the job. First, please review the job ad and the parameters mentioned in the post thoroughly. Second, only if your profile matches with all the parameters mentioned in the post, which are position, location, education, experience, and the key requirements, then share your updated CV with your current CTC, notice period, and expected CTC at ignitetheflame@gmail.com. Third, mention the position and designation which you are applying for and the unique code in your subject line. For example, if you are applying for this requirement, then the subject line should be data analyst IDFE01, which is the code. This will help me in sharing the resume with the right recruiter and you will receive the response faster. Lastly, if your profile is relevant, you will get a response within a week. If you get a call from the recruiter, then please let me know in the comments so that I know that whatever I am doing is helping you. And if you don't get any response within a week, then do send a follow-up email to me and I will personally connect with the recruiter and get back to you provided your profile is suitable for the requirement shared.
so to summarize this, I have taken a decision to work with job providers in my network and share employment opportunities to the job seekers in India with no charges at all. It's a humble request to all the candidates to not share random CVs with me, as I have started this initiative individually and I will not have time to respond to each and every CV which I get. But I hope few like-minded people will join me in this initiative and we will be able to serve you better. Lastly, if you are urgently looking for a job opportunity, then do mention the designation and the position on the comments below. I will work with the consultants and see if we have relevant job opportunities for you. So if you are looking for a job change, then do subscribe to my channel Ignite the Flame on YouTube and on LinkedIn so that you keep getting various job opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best and I hope you get the right job soon.